Hello there, George with Coatings by the Bay, your local ceramic coating expert. We are based in Appleton, but offer mobile service to the entire state of Wisconsin. And today we are looking at a 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper launch series. It had the full exterior coated. It did come from factory with the PPF option installed. Yes, ceramic coating makes a wonderful pairing with PPF. If you are considering PPF in general, you would need that done first. But PPF has its own struggles. It likes to hold the salt of winter. It's a little bit tougher to clean just because the large porous surface is just designed for protection versus maintenance. So ceramic coating goes in, fills those pores, and gives you a much easier surface to clean, the same as it would the paint. So yeah, ceramic coating and PPF play very well together. Definitely something I suggest. But as I was saying, this Model Y Juniper here got the entire exterior coated, so everything except the rubber, meaning the rims are protected. Of course, with Model Ys, you have to do glass because there's so much glass on it. You'd be selling yourself short doing just the paint. The headlight bar, which is it's just my favorite new look on vehicles. And I know it's not like a Tesla original, but I'm happy they're going that direction with the light bars. Plastic trim, you'll see, is a nice rich color now versus kind of that dry from factory look. Just everything on the exterior except the rubber. And we even use a matte tire shine, which is kind of ironic putting those two words together, but it is an SiO2 infused one that lasts about 3 months, which is really, really long for a tire shine. But again, yeah, full exterior done on this, 5-year option. Gentleman got a quote on Friday, accepted it Saturday, booked for today to squeeze it in before Memorial Day. I'm currently booking into June. So if you are looking to have ceramic coating done, again, anywhere in the state of Wisconsin, we offer mobile installation. You just need a garage with basic water and power options. Otherwise, our studio is based here in Grand Chute, kind of serving the Green Bay, Appleton, De Pere, Greenville, Oshkosh areas, which is actually where this vehicle's out of, is Oshkosh. So if you've got a new vehicle, you're looking to protect it before the bug guts of spring, the pollen, the sun, before life starts taking its toll, give me a call or a text at 920-659-0023. All of our pricing is also transparently listed on the website. Coatingsbythebay.com. That's COATINGSBYTHEBAY.com. This starts at $875 for this size vehicle. This is considered a small to mid-size vehicle, and that's the 5-year coating on the paint. So we charge a fair price all the time. We never have, make your head spinning in circles with, fear of missing out or crazy promotions with all these stipulations or hard upsells, or I am as transparent as they come. One thing I always like showing off, and it's just one little detail among many, but it's this little trim piece. I can't tell you how often it gets missed. And you wouldn't want, your nice rich color here and a dry color as soon as you open the door. It's just one of those little details that Coatings by the Bay has you covered on. So again, if you're looking for ceramic coating, 920-659-0023. Any new model vehicle we can help you with, well-maintained used vehicles. Give me a call, and I look forward to hopefully working with you. Have a great day.